everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. So this is a Anna Griffin haul. Some of the items I bought through her private sale through after the Create Crop that we had a couple of weeks ago. Some came from last week's HSN Craft Day, and the other stuff came directly from Anna Griffin. It could be members only, but I've been waiting to make just one haul, so here it is. Okay, so yeah, let me move this sign saying it's me. If you see this, you know it's really me. So, okay, I unpackaged it so that it wouldn't make so much noise, and I don't even know the name of these dyes, so let's open it up and show you that it is the 3D Paradise dyes, and that's what it can do and make. So that's going to be really nice. You know, I'm from Florida, living in Texas now for about 10 years, and we go back. We're fixing to go back in like 2 weeks. So yeah, so I'll use this. Plus, it's just by the poolside stuff. Then this is outdoorsy too. It is the let's see, what is it called though? It is called the 3D barbecue seam dyes, and that's what it can do. So that's nice for Father's Day coming. Let's see, I have been wanting this, and I waited and waited, and I just should have got it when she first showed us, because it's been out for 2 months. But I am so happy to get this because where my mom lives on the Intercoastal in St. Augustine, she sees boats like this all the time, so I'm going to surprise my dad. This is the Schooner easel dye, and that's what it can do. You don't have to make it an easel. You could put it on a regular card, but yeah, and it shows all the directions, and this is going to be really fun. I think as soon as this video is over, this is what I'm going to work on and play with, and then the last dye is this one. It looks very simple, but I did want it. It is the Waterfall dyes for making waterfalls, and so yeah, that's the dye. So then next is, this is from her private sale. Oh no, this is from HSN too. I got the Paradise cardstock, and it is 24 12 by 12 and 24 6 by 6. I'll leave that right here, and we'll just go through the littler ones and show you what we get. Oh, it's so pretty. So how many do you get? 2 of each. And then that's the back side. Very hot pink. That's the back side. Very tropical, very pretty, but living in Florida and having scrapbooking pages that I need to go back and do for years, I will use this up really fast. I think they're upside down. Yeah, there we go. Nope, it is this way. It's the seaweed. So let me turn that back around. But yeah, this is really going to be really useful. You can make just an album just for summertime. I like to do albums that are throughout the year, January, February, March, so the seasons change. You have January through Christmas, and in the summer you'll use these papers, and the winter you won't. So, wow, that's really pretty. And that. So, this is the Paradise cardstock. So that was nice. Put that back up. And then this was from, she has it now on HSN in her store, but I bought it from her private sale, and they are the antique botanical embellishments. So you have all those. This is what we use going crop and create. Well, we didn't have these, but we had the papers I'm fixing to show you. And so I just love this. When you see the paper that I'm going to show next, you're going to understand why. But is this not, it's so pretty. And it's not real bold in your face. So I think that it'll be really nice for spring and summer. So, let's put these back. Wait until you see what else, y'all. You're going to say, are you crazy? You've lost your mind on what I bought. But, I don't know. But it is just so pretty. It's so nice. It's faded colors. It just is so nice. I try not to bend these. So, and then there's a whole nother stack of them. I don't know how many, 80 pieces, 3 each. Let's put that off to the side. So this is what we used at Crop and Create that we just had. And I bought the whole package again because we cut it up and we used it. And it even comes with this container right here that's very nice. But it is called Ultimate Paper Crafting Collection Vintage Botanical. And there's so much, and it is, let's just go through it real fast. And then I've got some other stuff. This is going to be a longer video. So this is what the paper looks like, but instead of showing you all the papers, I'm going to show you, well, this isn't all the papers, but here it is. Here's some cards that come with it. This is some more cards, some more, and some more. So there's the cards. Then you have the borders for scrapbooking or card making, because you can cut them to whatever size. But see how this matched these? So isn't that just gorgeous? Isn't that nice? So there's a lot of real estate or items. So let me put that to the side. So then this is just blank, either to put on top of a card. If you don't like what the card is, you can put this on top, which I would never do. And it's double-sided. And there are photo frames. But you know, when you're making these dies that I just showed you, when you're making the dies and you want a certain color, you can always use this too, which I don't know if I would do that, but you can. So anyway, but look at all these that you get to goes with it. That's a good deal. You get the envelopes. You get, because this is for scrapbooking, so you get journaling tags, a whole bunch of journaling tags. You get the words, and I'm sure there's a few packages in here: family, brave, forever, memories, laugh, moments, celebrate. This is the insert for inside the cards to have this says, every day is a new beginning, but this is the insert to look professional inside the cards. So this whole thing is a lot. Then you get these, which these are all one-dimensional, and the other ones these that I pre-showed you, these are these are raised and two-dimensional, and these are flat one-dimensional. And so it just adds, but let me show you what came with it. But look at all those. And it's just flat. And these are very nice to have. My mom says when she mails stuff that it's getting expensive, plus it's hard and it gets messed up in the mail. So she likes the flat ones. So these are perfect for that. So I got a mess to clean. So let's put this right here and put that back. And then these are the gold embellishments. There's tons. Look how much it is. And then we got our gold. I think it's only gold and the blue tealish green metallic cardstock. We got to go with that. Then we had one-dimensional quotes and sayings to put on cards or put in your scrapbook pages. I think I'm going to actually make a journal, junk journal. I don't call it junk, but see, we got little cards. I don't call it junk because nothing I use is junk, and it's not leftovery stuff, so I make journals. And then here's the paper, which I love this paper. I like that it has the words and stamping numbers and stuff. I like that. So it's not her usual Anna because of this right here, but it's just beautiful. And then there's the back. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here's the next one with the green. And then there's the back. It's a different color, purpley. And then here is this one, which I think would go that way. And there's the back. I still have 2 big things to show you, so hopefully you're staying. There's this one, and there's the back. That is gorgeous. And then that's the back. This is one of my favorites too. And that's the back. There's that one. And that's the back. I love the faded colors, and it doesn't have to be so bright and bold. Oh, they got a little crinkled, but that's okay. That's all fixable. So that was the ultimate package. Okay, so let me show you. I went a little cray-cray, and I got it. I did a thing. I bought the new die cutting machine of hers, the Impress Elite. It came with the large and small cutting mats, which large and small cutting mats, I'll just show you my old ones. You know, these are cutting mats where it's got the stuff. This is old and used up, but I still use it. So that's what that was. And then the new machine. This is what the new machine looks like. But yeah, I'm not gonna open it up on camera, but it's heavy. It's like 20 pounds. Okay, guys, I got one more thing to show you. Yes, I went a little crazy, and I don't even remember what this one is, but this was on the sale. This was 2024 crop at home, and it was 4. This is crop at home 4. And so I bought the whole kit again. Don't need this because I already attended. I love the album. We get an album that comes with it. Okay. I don't need these dies, so I will be gifting these dies or selling them. I probably will gift but there's so many dies. But see, when I make videos, the people that comment, I just remember who you are, and every few months, look at those. There's so many dies in here. It's heavy. There's even more. But the whole set. So I will be gifting this to followers. I just give back. I'm blessed, and I want to bless others. So we have the whole kit of Phoebe. I'm in love with Phoebe. So I have all that. It's just like the Ultimate that I showed you of this. It's the same amount and same quality, but here's the Phoebe package. Then I wanted this one, and it's the Faded Rose. I already bought it, but I wanted the whole package. Then here is the Virginia. So I bought the Virginia. And then here is all the swag. So all the swag. I mean, look how thick and stuff is in that. So I went ahead and bought another one of these because it was actually cheaper to buy this with how many packages and dyes and everything than the one collection that I just bought for this. You know, if you broke it down to how many individual pieces and everything that you got. So, yeah. So just be watching and commenting, because I do give my extra supplies away. And I have extra Anna Griffin pins and all that kind of stuff. Like, I don't know. If you don't go to the crop, I don't think you would be interested. But yeah, I ended up buying the extra crop at Home Box that was on sale, and it was it was less than half price. I think it was 60-70% off. So yeah, I am very happy that I got all this. So yeah, guys, I am going to crop and craft right now. I think I'm going to do that Schooner ship. So tell me what your favorite was. Tell me what Anna Griffin items you have, and let's become friends and let's craft together. Thank you, everybody. Have a blessed day.